In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find TradingView through Google and start a 30-day free trial so you can explore the platform without commitment. I'll keep it simple, clear, and give you helpful context so you know what to expect at each click. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type TradingView. You'll see a list of results, often with the official site near the top. Look for the result that clearly shows the tradingview.com domain. This matters because there are sometimes ads or lookalike pages that aren't the official site. A quick check is to confirm the URL spells tradingview.com correctly and that your browser shows a secure connection with the padlock icon. Once you've found the official result, click it to go to TradingView's homepage. On the homepage, look for the option that mentions a 30-day free trial. It's commonly visible near the top navigation or highlighted as a call to action. Click the button that clearly indicates a 30-day free trial. This path is designed to take you directly to the plan and pricing area while preserving the free trial offer. The idea here is simple. You want to land on the section that outlines plans while keeping the trial active so you can test premium features like additional chart layouts, more indicators per chart, and faster data updates without paying up front. You should now be on the pricing page. Here, you'll see the available plans side by side. Under the plan you want to try, click Try Free for 30 days. That specific button activates the trial on the plan you selected. Expect to be prompted to sign in or create an account, and in many regions, you may be asked to add a payment method to start the trial. That's normal for free trials on many platforms. If you're just exploring, consider setting a calendar reminder well before the 30-day mark so you can decide whether to continue or cancel. It's also a good idea to quickly review the trial terms on this page so you understand when billing would start if you keep the subscription. Once you've clicked Try Free for 30 days, you're set to experience the platform as intended during the trial period. From here, you can familiarize yourself with the interface, knowing you've successfully reached the trial access through the official site and the correct flow. That's it. You searched for TradingView on Google, clicked the 30-day free trial on the homepage, and confirmed your choice with Try Free for 30 days on the pricing page. Enjoy exploring responsibly and make the most of your